Hello, this is Roland, Cisco Switzerland. We introduced a new feature recently, which I'm very excited about. So it is the Annotate on content. Basically, any content which is shared, we can now annotate on, being it a presentation, being it a document, being it a website, being it a video. It can be drawn inside this content and the other side will see it. Okay, let's get started. So I share whatever I have on my Desk Pro connected, say sharing call. It will share, the other party will see it. So far so good, nothing very exciting. Then I have here this menu which brings up this Point and Annotate on share. So I don't take a screenshot, I draw directly in the content. Here I get this menu of like temporarily annotate, which allows me to talk about this camera here, which is the same one as this one here. And then after some time it disappears. I have the option to more persistently draw on something. So basically, okay, this shape of the table I like or I don't like, and then it stays for some time. When I'm done, I can clear it all and it's back to normal. Let's say I have a website where I would like to point out a few things. I have some software versions available here. For example, a stable version is this one here. When I hover over this version, then I can basically see here what details there are available. So I can always point out what is important in the content I'm actually sharing. I can even show on a video what is important. For example, here, okay, I quickly hold the video, then I go ahead and say like, oh, by the way, I noticed these are PTZ 4K cameras which are used in this case. Okay, let's make it permanent. These are PTZ 4K cameras which are used here, and the quad cam is in the front. So I can, even on the video, I quickly pause it. I will continue. I can just then go ahead and clear what it says, draw whatever is needed. So I don't have to do this all on my own. So even though it's not a collaborative document, I can also just start myself drawing here. Okay, so let's say these meeting zones is important, it is the title. But if somebody else has a comment or would like to point out something, the other side can do the same. When I don't do anything, it will send me an annotation request. I can approve, and then the other side can also start drawing. Excellent. So I can even go ahead and do an interactive game here on this slide. Let's say I try to play tic-tac-toe. There we go. Then I try here. This one. And yay, there's a winner. Amazing. The other side can do the same thing. You can also share content. So let's see how this looks like. There we go. Content is shared. And then I can go ahead and do the same thing. Point and annotate. I can send the request. The request has been approved. And then we can have a look at it together, for example. And you can basically choose, for example, Williamsburg. And then it will guide you to the meeting room Williamsburg. And on the right hand side you see the room occupancy, so nobody's in there. You see the humidity, you see the temperature, and whatever additional details which are available for this meeting room. Very good. So to annotate, you can enable point and annotate and share. And you can also say anyone can annotate. So when I basically start annotating by choosing my preferred color, then the other side can also annotate. Excellent. And I never got a request to approve these drawings, right? So that's very cool. that was basically it. That is my new favorite feature. I just was keen on sharing with everyone. And thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.